Hey, it's about to go down. Don't worry, oh baby, it's about to go down. So unya bona boneda, baba bona boninho, 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 bonete. Hi and welcome back once again to Dacty for You channel. I hope you are all doing great, staying safe and staying out of trouble. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. To my old subscribers, I say God bless you for always staying with me and watching my videos. And to my new subscribers, I say that thank you so much for choosing my channel to subscribe to. So today I'm going to share with you guys how to make waakye, how I prepare my waakye. Yes, just like your favorite roadside waakye, your favorite joint, but with a twist, with my twist. Yes. So thank you so much. Let's get into this simple recipe. So I have water. The water is boiling, and at this time, go ahead and then add in your waakye leaves to it. And then you cover it and allow it to boil. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't use your hands. It's so hot. But you know, I'm used to it. So you let it boil, and then after about 5 minutes, add in your ginger. Yes, I told you it's just like your favorite joint waakye with just a twist. So this is my twist. So I'm adding in my washed and soaked beans at this time. So what I do is that I always wash my beans and I soak a lot of them, and then I will freeze some of them. So when I'm ready, I'll just bring it out and let it defrost so that I'll just use it. So I went ahead to add in some chopped onions. Yes, you add onions to it. If you haven't tried making your waakye this way, do it and you will never go back. Add in your account or salt petra to it and allow it to boil for some time. At this time, I'm going to just take away all the leaves from it, and I don't throw my leaves away. I always keep these leaves and reuse it. So what I do is that I'm just going to let it cool down, and then I will put them in a Ziploc bag and put it in my freezer. So when I'm ready, I will just add it and then add new ones to it. So I always use my leaves twice before I discard of them. At this time, the beans is about 50-60% cooked, and then I added in my rice. So go ahead and then add in your rice at this time, and then you give it a stir. So please, if you happen to be here and haven't subscribed to this channel, if you are new, this is your first time on this channel, or even if you watch me but you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Add in salt to it, and then go ahead and give it a stir at this time. Make sure that you cook this on a medium heat. It shouldn't be a high heat, and it shouldn't be very low heat. It should be in between medium heat. You don't want it to burn and you don't want it not to cook. So add in a little bit of oil, olive oil or coconut oil preferably. This is absolutely optional, as I've already said, but if you add it to your rice, oh my god, it takes your waakye to a different level. It makes the waakye taste good on its own, and it's so yummy. You can eat it like that. So you just cover it and let it be on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. So this is about 15 minutes, and this is how it's looking like. So please, if you're here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe this, share with your family and friends. After 15 minutes, go ahead and then open it and stir it. At this time, stir it and lower your heat. At this time, go ahead and lower your heat at this time, and then cover it with a foil and let it be on a medium to low heat for about 15 minutes, and then your waakye is all done. So this is it, our waakye is all done, and I'm telling you, it's so yummy, so yummy. So here it is, it's all set and it's about to go down. Yes, it's about to go down. Don't worry, oh baby, it's about to go down. So thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless you. So this is my waakye. This is my no-fail waakye stew, guys. You will never go back on this recipe, just like your favorite joint waakye stew. And this is my thalia, yes. Waakye rampacho, me to waakye 1 cedi, thalia 50 pesos, gari 20 pesos. Pacho ya mpekusia, so baako. Na me pe fish nso me pe ne to. Yes. So we are pairing this with our green chili sauce, spicy green chili sauce. If you don't have shito, don't worry. It just goes fine with it. And our fried veggies, stir-fried veggies is so yummy. You can add your salad to it. So thank you so much, and watch out for this amazing waakye stew. Stay blessed and stay safe. Love you.